For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Hello and welcome to News 9 Digital. I'm Prajwal D'Souza. Today I will be speaking about the much debated Arogya Setu app launched by the Government of India. Now, ever since the app was launched back in April, there have been a lot of questions revolving around the privacy and security. Now, to tackle this, the Government of India has made the app an open source software. Let me take you back a few days to know why the government made this decision. Now, in the beginning of May, a French hacker by the name Elliot Alderson had successfully hacked into the Arogya Setu app. Now, he has exposed some vulnerabilities in the app and said that the data of almost 90 million Indian users is in trouble. He also asked the government to contact him back. The government was swift with the rebuttal, claiming that the app is unhackable. These claims were again debunked by a developer in Bengaluru who again successfully hacked the app. Now, since then, the government, after a lot of discussions, has made the app an open source software. Now, what exactly is an open source software? Now, when an app is openly sourced, its code will be made available to the public so that individual developers can access these codes and make their desirable changes and can make many modifications. One of the best examples for this is the Android OS. Now, ever since the Android OS was launched, it has been an open source software. Many developers had access to the codes of Android OS. They made a lot of changes. They developed a new and much better operating system than the one given by the Android. Now, many users opted for it by rooting their phones and downloading this software. Now, I also spoke to a software developer and an ethical hacker to understand more on what open sourcing is. Now, since this app is made public, since the app's code is available to the public, how will this help the developer?
Open sourcing is where they want others to use it, see it, review it, send feedback, or even build things and then send back, or even build things for their own applications, right, and use it. So open sourcing enables, like, once the guy develops something and shares the code, and the other person can build on top of it.
As the general public has an access to the source code now, can the public or any individual developer make root changes to the app?
There are two developers, the person who built the app and the person who is looking at the code, right? So the person who built the app will get a lot of other developers contributing to them, so that if they have a team of like 10 people, in our case of India, we have less resources, right? And when our developers the developers open source it, they'll get feedback from other developers, and the stability of the app improves.
Now, this is the first time that Indian government has taken a decision to make an app built by them go public. Now, is this good or is this bad?
There's a misconception there. So when an app is open source, it doesn't mean that one person can come and change every things and then deploy it, right? Deploy it into the original app, right? So it doesn't work that way, in the sense that they can take an open source app, right, and they can deploy another app in their account. It doesn't affect the original Arogya Setu app. Okay.
Now, since the app is an open source software and the codes are all available to the general public, can these be misused, and can the developer make any major changes to the app?
Open sourcing can't be misused because it's like what you're going to share, right? And as long as you have the license is clear, right? People are unlikely to misuse it. There is no way you can misuse a code which is like inherently open source. But in the case where if the developers itself reveal some keys or something like that in the code, where like authentication keys or something like that, then there is a chance that people can see those keys, right, and access something which they are not supposed to.
Now, the process of developing this app and finding out user reactions will be managed by the National Informatics Center. Now, the Government of India has also started a new bug bounty program. Now, through this program, the government is aiming to reward these individual developers with rupees 1 lakh for their suggestions on this app. Now, the government has also asked the developers to test out the software and find out bugs and suggest any better decisions or any better ways that app can be built or can be changed. The government has also said that it will offer a bounty of 1 lakh rupees to these developers. Although the app is now openly sourced, the question still remains: is the Arogya Setu app safe? Now, will you as a user continue using this app? Let us know in the comments down below. Click the like button, share the video, and subscribe to News 9 on all the digital platforms.